Okay, so I'm here doing a framing inspection for a customer, and I get up here to the roof, and what do I see here? This truss and this one are supposed to... Can't turn your phone while live. Why can I not turn my phone while live? Hold on. Go live with James R. Holloway. Alright, watching. Okay. Alright, so let me go back here. First time attempting to do a Facebook Live. Okay. So I'm here doing a framing inspection for a customer, and this truss, which you can see, runs up to the front of the house right here, and this truss, which runs up to the main roof, are connected here at this joint. And you can see another one here, another one off in the distance there, and if I turn around, you'll see some more of them. Well, these two have a gap. So rather than close the gap and address the issue, what did they do? They put the nails in the hole to make it look like this truss is nailed in place. Nails in the hole make it look like the truss, excuse my language, is nailed in place. And that's what they've done all the way down here. And they ask us, well, why do you need a private home inspector? Can't believe people are paying a pretty penny for these houses, and this is what they get. Now, I'm not... Oh, it says I can't rotate. I don't know how you do this thing. I don't know how this works. You waved. So, go figure. I don't know how else to understand how these builders do this kind of crap. So, this is a customer. Asked me to come out and do a framing inspection for them. These nails don't actually nail anything. And this is the roof. This roof, this good old roof here, is supposed to be held in place, at least partially, with these guys. And, yep, they put the nails in, I guess, to fool the county inspector into believing that these things are nailed properly. Man, I'd be like to be a part of this lawsuit. Make me some money. Catch you guys on the back end. Alright, this is my first shot at doing a live video, so I'm not sure if you guys are hearing me or seeing what I'm seeing, but hey, this is what we do as a company when we do inspections for customers, before all this stuff gets hidden behind drywall. Talk to you later.